Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, May 20th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Congratulations to pre-K, kinder, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth grade scholars that received awards at the ceremony for Scholars of Excellence. Nice job, all of you, for making a commitment to do your best. Now, if you got an invitation and you got an award from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock today during the pickup line, you can pick up your award. Super excited for all those that did an amazing job. And I can't wait to see how the end of the year folds out. So nice job. Also, a big shout out. A shout out to Regina Cortez, third grader, for making it to be a Royal Reader. Nice job, Regina. I am so proud of all those scholars that have worked so hard this year. We know that this year was a challenge, but you know what? You guys were amazing. You soared like amazing owls. So keep up the good work. Keep on pushing through. Remember, we still have school until the 28th, all the way through the 28th. So, scholars, do your best, and we'll see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!